What we have here is corrugated metal pipe under the streets and everything for storm drains. And over a period of time, they have deteriorated to where they're collapsing. So what we do is install CIPP, which is cured in place pipe. The other option is to rip the street up, put a new pipe in and cover it up. And then later on down the road, it's going to do the same thing. But we'll take and shoot a liner through this, which is saturated with styrene. Bring the head pressure up and it swells out to the diameter of the pipe. And depending on the thickness, which is, an engineer has to say how thick to support all the weight, we bring the water up to 180 to 200 degrees and what we call cook it off. And it makes a solid pipe inside there, which is better than the old corrugated metal. After it cures out, we cool it down and cut the ends out, and you have a new pipe. You haven't torn any roads out. You don't have to mess with any utilities. So, modern science.